students, relax, sit back and listen to our math class. In today's class, we are going to learn the definition of sequence. So, a sequence is an arrangement of numbers in a definite order according to some rule. So, example of sequence are, this is an example, 1, 8, 27, 64, 125. These numbers are cube of natural numbers. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125. So, these numbers form a sequence because these numbers are arranged in definite order according to some rule. Here, the rule is these numbers are cube of natural numbers. Second, these numbers are sequence because these numbers are reciprocals of our natural numbers. Because reciprocal of 1 is 1, reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2, reciprocal of 3 is 1 by 3, reciprocal of 4 is 1 by 4. So, these two forms a sequence. In the similar way, these numbers are even natural numbers. So, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. These two form a sequence. So, sequence means those numbers will be in definite order and it follows some rules. Okay. Now, we can see some basic problems related to this concept. Now, here we have to find the first three terms of this sequence defined by an equal to -1 to the power of n minus 1 into 2 to the power of n. So, first we have to find first three terms. So, we can substitute n equal to 1, 2, 3. So, first n equal to 1 means a to the power of 1 equal to -1, 1 minus 1 into 2 to the power of 1. Instead of this n, we have to substitute this 1. So, a1 equal to -1, 1 minus 1, 0 into 2 to the power of 1 equal to -1 to the power of 0 is 1 because any number to the power of 0 will give you 1 into 2 to the power of 1 is 2. So, 2. In a similar way, a2 equal to -1, 2 minus 1 into 2 into 2. So, -1, 1, 2 square is 4. So, -4, a2 is -4. Next, a3 is -1, 3 minus 1 into 2 cube. So, -1 square, 8. So, answer is 8. So, the first three terms of the sequence is 2, 4, 8. Therefore, the first three terms of the sequences, first term is 2, second term is -4, third term is 8. This is what our final answer is. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos related to both school and college maths. Thank you.